So, you're curious about just how good the Starlight Blue controller really looks, huh? Well, say no more, fam, because I'm here to do an unboxing for you. So let's get on into it. Oh man, there's tape. Somebody already ripped it. You know what? That's why we got this. So let's just get on. There we go. See, you don't want to ruin your boxes. Nice clean cut to do the trick. All right, here we go. Let's. God, can't. Why do they make this so hard? Great. All right, let me just. Okay, here we go. So you take care of your boxes. Because why won't it come out? Jesus. Why was that so hard? Don't understand. Okay. So, when you get these boxes, you should open just like that. There you go. Here we go. Time for the main event. The Starlight Blue controller. Man, look at that. That is gorgeous. Bam. Look at this. There it is. I don't know what more you expected out of this. Again, it's just a blue controller. Works the same as the regular white PS5 controller, but different color. So there you have it. Go find something to do.